day 4 barbecuing in Kefalonia, courtesy of Lidl actually. Everything is come from Lidl in here. So if you're coming to the island, brilliant idea to stop at Lidl. So what we've got, a bit of a Greek salad, some olives, a bit of feta, some onion, a bit of leaf, tomatoes on this one, just a bit of onion again, a bit of lettuce, simple salad. I've got a cured sausage. So partly cured, these are really nice actually, they're a bit tangy. I'm not going to cut them in half because they stay more juicy, but they're pretty good. And then I've marinated a pork chop, so this is just a normal pork chop, very thinly cut, so they're going to cook nice and quick. Bit of a sear, not too long. So garlic, a bit of marinade on there, some of this allion. This is really good. So if you see this, €6, this is green and unctuous. Amazing, bit of salt and pepper, and then we've got some Arabic flatbreads to wrap stuff in, and I'm going to sear off some peppers and make a little side dish, a little bit of a hot dish with these amazing red peppers. So there you go. So this is so day 4 Kefalonia. Starting off with my peppers. I'm just going to barbecue them off, and then I'll probably let them chill a bit, and then slice them a bit smaller. Is my plan. So they're kind of like a bit of a salad, and then I'm going to cook the meat because the charcoal is sort of there. You can see it just needs a little bit more. I'm just going to use this sort of gentle heat initially. So they're looking very nice. I have to say, I've eaten a lot of pepper in my life, but these are the best. They actually are the best. They're so sweet, and I think obviously the sunshine makes a difference. So again, well done Kefalonia. Clearly, the sun makes that difference. You can hear these crickets are going crazy tonight. It's quite interesting, really, how gentle that heat is, just from normal, just charcoal without the briquettes. I think the briquettes are more fierce. I tend to cook on wood at home. I've got a lot of cherry wood. I'm working my way through Korean hill cherry and a bit of pine that I put in there just to start it going. But interestingly, this is slower. But you know what? It's good. So what I've done is I've put my sausages on top. So then I'm just going to, literally, it's very easy then just to take these off. Let's take all these off. So I'm just starting to warm them through, so it's gentle. Let's see where our peppers are at. See, there's not much happened yet, but they're starting to soften, which is what's good. So turn them all over. Notice I've got them all on the same side, which actually makes it easier, doesn't it? If you know what side they're on, you turn them all over and you don't get confused. So let's just turn these round, and then I'm just going to drop my sausages, which I'll turn over. So again, we're just getting the extra heat. So peppers and sausages. So you'll notice my clever little ploy here. Each sausage has its own pepper to go with. That was my plan. So we just drop them all on and give it a bit more time. So there you go, we're progressing nicely. I'm very pleased with these peppers. Okay then people, back to Kefalonia, day 4. I'm barbecuing actually under extreme conditions, I would say. I think we're about 36 degrees, it's hot. Look, I'm going to show you. So you can see across here, it's there's our pool. I'm not going to go that way. The sun is just beating down on me as I'm stood here slaving at the barbecue. But I've got the sausages separated. I'm just I'm getting them going, and then we're going to put the pork on. And the pepper's pretty much there, so that's looking good. You see, bit of cauterization. It's going to come off actually. I'm going to put that aside in a second. But you can see it's worked really nicely, and these little guys are doing well. I'm going to swap them over actually, just to get that more in the heat. But yeah, we're doing well. So pork's on next, and join us on the next video. Okay then people, so put all my sausage back on, and we've got the pork on. Bread's ready to go, pepper's ready to go. I did try and record a video, but my phone overheated. So it literally is just roasting out here, and my poor little phone just could not deal with it. So let's just turn these over, have a little look. So the pork's sealed, which is good. Okay, it's going to be a little while because it's on charcoal. It's surprising how gentle charcoal is, which is good. You know, we're not getting burning, which is nice. mean, they look incredible, and I'm just going to drop my sausage back on top. And so they're going to keep warm and cook through as well. So it's looking good, but like I said, I'm going to have to stop filming. I might have to just come back to you at the table because I can't keep filming because it's incredibly hot and my phone can't deal with it. Okay, so I've plated it up. Got my lovely pork. It's a really nice pork chop. Some peppers that I cooked, some sausage and the naan. Arabic start. This is looking incredible. 2 different types of salad. So I'm going to tuck in. I'm going to say goodbye to everyone from my Kefalonia barbecuing efforts, day 4.